I've worked on a lot of home improvement projects, and one thing that I've noticed is a lot of homeowners seem to have issues with water quality. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Here are a few things that you can look for to know if your water needs a little bit of help. You may notice spots on your glassware coming out of the dishwasher. Look for water stains and soap scum on fixtures, tubs, and showers. Toilets and sinks may have dark streaks. It's no coincidence those stains look a lot like rust spots. That's iron in the water. Your skin and hair can dry out as a result of hard or chlorinated water. Plus, your clothes can fade or wear out prematurely because of poor water quality. Your water shouldn't taste like a swimming pool. Too much chlorine can be harmful. And if your water has the smell of sulfur or rotten egg smell, or it's bitter or metallic tasting, don't drink it. Hard water can even significantly reduce the lifespan of some of your water-using appliances, like your washer, your dishwasher, your water heater, and your ice maker. I recommend getting an in-home water evaluation from a qualified plumbing professional. Their tests can help determine if water is a source of problems in your home, and they can make recommendations on how to improve it. If you'd like to learn more about how you can improve water quality in your home, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.